As you can see, I ain't going nowhere today. It is messed up out here. This is in Texas, baby. So I'm going to my garage. I got my little heater plugged up. I'm going to install my handlebars today. So stay tuned for my LA Chopper Hammerhead bars going on my 2018 road glide. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Killer B coming at you. Today, I'm not going anywhere. As you saw earlier, it is ice out here everywhere on the ground. But today, I'm going to be installing my LA Chopper Hammerhead bars on my bike myself. I think I've done enough research to do it myself. I installed my own heated grips myself. And you just got to be careful with the wires. But yeah, I'm going to pull these bars off here. And I'm going to install my hammerheads, which are over there in the box over there. But the first thing I'm about to do is pop this little thing here, which I already got it popped. It just comes off. You turn to the side. You got two bolts. You got one on the side here, one on the side here. I think that's a T25, and I think a T25 for all these also. And you pull these up. I think you got to connect it here, and you got some dummy connectors right here up on these sides because you can't actually add buttons right here. So I'm gonna get to work, get my T25 wrench, and start popping this stuff off. Cover my gas tank up so I won't drop anything on it, have any dents in my tank or anything. So yeah, so I'm getting ready to install those bars on here, and hopefully it come out right. But I'm pretty sure they will. I'm pretty good and technical and with my hands and working. So yeah, so I'm getting ready to pull those off, install those bars. Got the first piece off right here already. So, matter of fact, so hey, I'm finna get started. Let me get my bolts and my T25 wrench and get started here and get these bars off. Because some of the prices out here is ridiculous, man, to get bars installed. And you look at some of the videos, it doesn't take, some guys say 3, 4, 5 hours. 3, 4, 5 hours cool, but hardly talking about 8 hours. And you know their prices. You know what that HD stand for? $100 plus. But stay tuned. Let me get my tools, and I'm gonna get started pulling off the handlebars. Peace. What's up, everybody? As you can see, the T25 torque wrench here. So we're gonna pull this bolt out. I gotta find out what size this is here, and just pull it up and disconnect it, and the bar should come straight off. So stay tuned. I'll be right back with that when I get the bars off and get these taken off, because I gotta make sure I pop this. If you got heated grips, you gotta make sure you pop this little cap off here. It's a little cap here. As you can see, I got this side off here. So yeah. The next thing, just to go to the other side and get that side done. Got the parts here. I'm gonna set them over here nice and neatly. And your heated grip just slides off the throttle by cable here. So it just slides off. So yep. I'm actually gonna do this myself. Do y'all hear me? So I'm pretty handy. I guess I am. My folks always say I am. I'm just putting on my parts over here, so I know all my parts, what side they go on, and everything, cause you don't want to get nothing mixed up. But I'll be back at you when I get ready to take the next side off. Now I'm finna take the bars off. I got a 1/4 inch, like an Allen wrench. So I'm gonna take the bars off, loosen the bars. When I get done with this, the bars should come right off. And I'll take this whole plate off. Taking those bolts out right there. It's 4 bolts right there in the metal plate. That's the top of the that's the top that's holding the bars down. As you see, here are the bars. I got the bars off. So now my next thing is just to go in. I'm gonna go into my house. I'm not gonna do it out here in the garage. It's not enough light. And pull the wires through. So, and I'll get back with you. I'll show you the process of pulling the wires out when I go in the house, and make sure, you know, I'm pulling the wire the right way and the right wires, so I won't mess up anything. So get back at you. See, I'm pulling it out, but make sure you don't tear that little ribbon right here. See that little ribbon? If you tear that up, you're in trouble. So I'm taking the wires out. They're a little tough to get around in some of these corners. That's what I've learned. Take my time. Everything you do, take your time. Look at that, baby. Got it out easily, no problem, man. No problem. So yeah, I'm gonna try to wire these through the bars first before I pull this side out over here. What's up, everybody? I'm back. I'm finna get ready and wire the bars through. The wires, finna wire the bars up. So what I did, I went and got my electrical tape and I got my weed eater cable. So, but I'm gonna run my weed eater cable down through here first and get that down through there. And then I'm gonna come back and tape it up to the end here. I'm gonna take this right to the end of here and start working this way down through there. But yeah, but make sure you still be careful with those. So I'm finna go through that process now. Oh. So yeah, so I'm finna put the weed eater cable through. Got my bars finally wired up. So now I'm just trying to tighten them up right now. Get them all tightened up and then get them where I want them to be. So yeah. So, yep, I did this myself. It was hard wiring the bars up, but if you just take your time, it'll all work out for you. That's what I did. I took my time, and like I say, I'm just tightening everything up. I already connected all the connectors except for the connectors to go on here. There's just 2 connectors left. You got this one here. That's just a dummy connector, and then I got the connector to go to the RPM and the speedometer right here. So yeah. Man, I'm excited, man. Something I did all this work myself pretty much. From installing my heated grips. I did that when I first got those. I did all that, man. Man, you gotta be careful with this stuff because you got little tabs back here that you don't want to pinch on the back of these here. You see it's like a little ribbon back there. But yeah. So I'm gonna finish tightening these up and I'll show y'all the good Lord, I can't even get the words out. I'm gonna finish tightening these up and I'm gonna get out to show you the finishing product when I get done. So yeah, I'm excited, man. It was, these bars, the way they made, oh my God, it was hard to wire them up, but hey, I did it though. Just took my time and watched a few more videos and got it done. Yes, sir. I'm back. Now I'm installing the levelers on here. My brake level and my clutch level. Oh my God, that looks awesome. I might have to change my windscreen though. I might have to change my windshield. Might. Hope not, but if I have to, I'll drop down 2 by the 9 and that should settle everything. But yeah, I'm putting my brake level on. Then the next one, I'm gonna do my clutch level. Oh man, feel good. So yeah, stay tuned for the finishing product. So yeah, I installed my own bars today, y'all. Wired my own bars. I did everything. Y'all, I'm telling you, I did a lot of upgrades on here myself. You can do it. If you put your mind to it, you can definitely do it. So yeah, I'm finna install my last level over here, my clutch level. And that should be it. And I'll get back with you when it's done. What's up, everybody? It's your boy, Kelly B. I'm getting ready to install my last, do y'all hear me? My last thing. This is for my clutch. Yep. Installing my clutch. Gotta make sure this get in here. Yeah, I'm installing my clutch level. Oops, I got it on backwards. I think I need to scoop this down just a little bit. Gonna have to loosen this up. Scoot it down. Oops. Just a little. Because it's not going on there like it should. Yep, I'm gonna scoot this down just a little bit, and I should have waited anyway to tighten it up. I don't want to take it all the way apart, just to loosen it up just a little bit. And slide it down a little bit so that I can get this clutch level to go on there like it should. There we go. There we go. Yes, sir. Man, I'm excited. I did this myself, y'all. Do y'all hear me? I watched so many videos on doing this. And I kept telling myself I can do it. And like you say, you put your mind to something, you can do it. And I did this myself. It was a struggle. I'm not gonna even lie. The hardest part was the wiring through the bars. You see the way the bars are made. That was the hardest part. It's getting the bars done. I gotta make sure I got my stuff sitting the way I wanted it to sit. Yeah. But yeah, it's a rough project. But you know what? Man, I saved $800. I had people telling me $500, $800. Yeah. And I did it myself. But I mean, I appreciate y'all watching my channel. And man, I'm excited about this right here. I ain't gonna even lie. Oh my gosh. Let me get y'all a closer look. See that? Oh, them some nice bars. They the LA Chopper Hammerhead bars. Yeah, I'm gonna finish tightening everything up, wipe everything down. But yeah, this is it. This is the finishing product. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm gonna get this baby a cold start up. Y'all tell me what y'all think. Y'all tell me what y'all think of the pipes. Think of the sound. But let me finish tightening up some of this. Yeah. I ain't gonna lie, this was a rough one here. But I'm looking at what I have saved on this bike here. The money I've saved. Appreciate y'all for watching my channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Hey, and you can do whatever you put your mind to. You can do it. And I'm so happy about this. Oh man, it was snowing outside. It sleet and snowed all yesterday, so I took advantage. I'm not in the truck today. I took advantage of doing this myself. Hey, I appreciate y'all watching. Like, share, and subscribe. And you can do this yourself too. God bless you. Have a great day.